29 stranded foreigners, French in Goa. They have been, a special bus has been arranged to send them to Bombay, and from Bombay they will be boarding the flight and they will be going to France. So the government of Goa has done the arrangement with the help of the Embassy of France, or we can say the French embassy might have contacted the Goa government, and they have done this necessary arrangements.
Okay, so we were stuck in Agonda for more than a month
Yeah,
and
since the beginning, so 15th of March.
yeah.
Like that.
And so we contacted the embassy to get they sent an email saying that it was the last rescue flight. So they asked us if they asked me, the French embassy, if I wanted to take it. And eventually the Portuguese embassy was not feeling really content. So the French embassy took everything in charge and sent us information to book a flight and organize this bus for us.
And how was your stay when during the lockdown? Did you all got enough food for you all, or you had any difficulties?
Yeah, we had enough food for us. We fostered 5 puppies, so
Yeah,
it was enough for everyone.
And now you're going from Bombay, you'll go directly to France, or there is any halt?
Now we're going to, so now we
Amsterdam.
take Amsterdam first, then another flight to Paris, and then I still need to find a way to go to south of France from there.
And how did you all find people of Goa during lockdown? Were they helpful for you all? Or?
Yeah,
They helped, they're better.
Right, yeah.
Cannot complain.
yeah.
I arrived in India 28th of January, and still 3 March I was in Kerala, and 21 of March we know that there is a lockdown in India. I stayed somewhere where I was in Wayanad, exactly in Kerala. And when I know that there is this bus, this flight going from Mumbai to Paris, I said now it's time to be back to France. But I was so good in my place in Wayanad, and I contacted first the consulate of Bombay, but I was staying in Wayanad. I depend from the consulate of Pondicherry, so I call each other, and they organize everything for me. But I do it many things myself, and but it was very okay. And now today I'm here, and I will leave evening. Everything is okay.
And how was your experience in Goa?
Oh, I was not in. Just I arrived now.
Today?
Today in Goa. I came by taxi from Wayanad to Goa, and we traveled during 12 hours. We stopped many times because there is a control for the police, but everything was okay. Yeah. Yes, because we need to have later protection later, and everything was very easy to do it, because I was in a center of Ayurveda, and the director, the doctor from this place organized everything with the authority from the Kerala, from the Ministry of Kerala, and from the MEA too. So everything was okay.